Good morning, class. This is our third video of chapter 15, Properties of Triangle. In this video, we will learn exterior angle property of triangle. Now, what is an exterior angle property of triangle? First, you must aware what is an exterior angle of a triangle. Like you can see in this triangle ABC, if we produce BC to a point D, then ACD, angle ACD is said to be exterior angle of this triangle, and angle A and angle B will be the opposite interior angle. Getting? These two are interior opposite angle and this one is exterior angle. Similarly, you can produce any one side. If you are going to produce, maybe you can produce BA, then this one, if you are going to produce BA, then this one is our exterior angle and these two are interior opposite angles. Getting? Now, what is an exterior angle property of triangle? If our side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. In this triangle, you can see measure of angle ACD is equal to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. We will use this property in our whole exercise 15.3. Okay, class, have a look for the exercise, 15B. In exercise 15B, you can see first question. In triangle ABC, we are having these two angles, interior opposite angle. We have to find out the exterior angle. Just we will find how we will find angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B using exterior angle property. Just 45 plus 75 will add both of these. Getting? I'll solve it for you. Have a look. First, we'll draw the figure. Yes, class, this is the figure as it is from the book. In this question, you can write given as angle A 75, angle B 45 of triangle ABC. To find measure of angle ACD. Solution, we will write it directly. Angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC, or you can directly write angle B plus angle A. Reason: exterior angle property of triangle. Getting? Now, angle ACD is equal to angle B as 45, angle B or ABC, whatever you want, you can write. You have taken right A and B, that's why. 45 plus 75 as 120 degree. This is your solution. Getting? Just use exterior angle property. Now, in question number 2, you can see here we are having this one as measure x, y 68 and this one as 130. In this question, you have to eliminate x and y. Property is same, you are already aware. In this question, first we will use linear pair and find y, then we will find x. Okay, class, have a look for this question. Figure is here. You can see. Now, BCD is a line. So, y plus 130 is equal to given. Same as you will write it yourself. Given is angle B is given 68, angle A as x. You can see given angle A x degree, angle B 68, angle ACB y, and angle ACD 130 degree. To find angle A and angle ACB means x and y. Yes, for solution, first we will write y plus 130 is equal to 180. Reason: linear pair. Either write BCD is a line or write linear pair. From here we will get y as 180 minus 130. How much? 50 degree. Now this one is 50. We have to find out. Now using exterior angle property, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle BAC and ABC. Yes, reason, exterior angle property of triangle. Yes, ACD, sorry, ACD, we are having measure of ACD, we'll write it as 130 degree. Angle BAC is x degree. ABC is given as 68. ABC or B both are same, take care. Then 130 minus 68 is equal to x. How much? Yes, 130 minus 68. How much? 62. Now measure of our angle, x as 62, y as 50. Okay class, is it clear to all of you? Now have a look for the next question. Question number 3, you can see it is same as here x and y. 32 same as, using first we'll find y using linear pair and then x using angle sum property. In question number 4, we are having an exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree. Interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. In this question figure is not given, we will draw the figure ourselves. Okay, the figure will be same. Let us draw the figure first. In this question we will write given side BC of a triangle ABC produce 2D. We have taken it, and angle ABC ratio angle BAC. Ratio of 2 is to interior angle is given as 2:. So we will write it ourselves. You can write like this or you can directly start with the solution also. To find angle AB and C, let angle ABC, this one, as 2x and angle BAC as 3x. This one and this one as 2x, and this one, let me write with the pen only, 2x, and this one as 3x. BAC. Any two you can consider, either this one as 2x or this one as 3x, doesn't matter, because they are having the ratio of these two interior angle. Now sum of these two interior angle will be equal to angle ACD, exterior angle, is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. The reason is exterior angle property of triangle. Getting? If you are having least space, you can use this short form. Then angle ACD is equal to ABC as 2x, this one as 3x, and in this question we have given our angle, sorry, I am missed this step. Here we will write angle ACD measure as 110 degree. ACD as 2x plus 3x as 5x. Yes, from here we will get 110 by 5 as x. X is equal to how much? 22 degree. Then given angles ABC, 2 into 22, 44 degree, and other angle BAC as 3 into 22 as how much? 66 degree, and this one angle C, either find from angle sum property or either you can find, because we have having this one as 110, you can find this angle using linear pair. Getting? Third angle, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. From here we can find our angle ACB as 180 minus ACD as 110, 70 degree. Getting class? We have find all these three angles. Because in question it is not mentioned these angles as ABC, so we'll write our answers as required angles. Your measure of required angles be 44 degree, 66 degree and 70 degree. Class, in question number 5, you can see an exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and the interior opposite angles are equal to each other. This is same as the previous question. In this question we are having ratio as 2:3. Right now we'll take both are same, x and x. Either do like this, taking triangle ABC, or you can do it directly without drawing any figure, without doing taking the triangle as ABC. You can do it directly also. Have a look for the direct solution. For direct solution, just write like this. let measure of interior angles be x degree each, then sum of interior opposite angles is equal to its exterior angle of a triangle, or you can write exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. That complete statement. Then x plus x is equal to how much? 100 degree exterior angle, sum of two opposite interior angle. Then we'll get 2x as 100, then x as 100 by 250. The measure of required angles be 50 degree each. Here you will write the complete statement of our angle sum property. Getting class? Now we'll continue with question number 6 onwards in our next video. Okay.